9/11 کے بعد people just look, police officers would look at Muslims differently. سب سے بڑی جو میرے انسپریشن تھی وہ دادی ہوگی. میرا دادی she passed away back in 2007.
Okay.
But she was a kind-hearted person. My daddy was the number one inspiration. Iske baad Abbu hoga. So just the drive that my dad gave me as a young age, as a young man, alhamdulillah, you know, that's invaluable. And growing up in America after post 9/11 was difficult. And choti behan, at the time she wore a hijab, and you would see how the police would react to my sister. All of these are the reasons, some of the reasons why I decided to run for this position. Is growing up and seeing the negative interactions. You know, Pakistan ke andar, you know, people don't have great interactions with the police. What happens here in America too. And I wanted to make that change. I pehle oil and gas mein kaam karta tha, and I was making a lot of money, alhamdulillah. And to make the career change suddenly, first and foremost, you have to get the blessing of the family. Phir iske baad, you have to go to a police academy for 6 to 9 months. Then you have to take a state exam. Phir a state exam ke baad, then you have to get hired by the police agency.
Okay.
But being Muslim in America is very difficult to get a job as in law enforcement.